Welcome everyone to another case study video of Team Trained by SAP. And like we have today with us Priyanka. She has been like one of my very consistent client, and it has been like an incredible journey so far. So we started like 74 से हमने start किया था, and then we came down to
Yeah,
65. Correct, Priyanka?
yeah.
Perfect. And there is a lot of things which we would be discussing on this case study. Priyanka would be telling about her situation when she started, where she was, where she is right now, and how she's getting some amazing result. So first of all, before we start this case study video, I just want Priyanka just give a short intro about you, like what you do, how's your daily schedule, and everything. Like just a short intro of you.
So yeah, I actually work for a corporate, so it is like a basic corporate mazdoor kind of routine. So
Yes.
my working hours are like from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, and it is actually hybrid model.
Yeah.
So 3 days I go to office, and 2 days I'll be working from home, and I get 2 days off for the weekend. uh,
Got it.
and I live in a family setup. So I think it is important to say because it also the family dynamics
Yes.
also plays a very important role. So I
Yeah.
stay with my husband and as well as mother-in-law. So we are three person in the family. Yeah, so that's and I'm from Chennai.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. So I was going through all of these things. Like the first discussions we had, I pulled out the notes of that कि हमने क्या क्या goal set किया था तब, and then how much we have achieved that and all. I was just going through all of that. Like, we'll go through all of that and discuss
Sure.
everything in detail as well. So like Priyanka, what was your motivation when you got started? Because सबके बस का बात नहीं होता. I've seen a lot of people struggling, especially if they are in a corporate setup, especially if they have like a even a work from home job or hybrid job. You being like, as you told, corporate मजदूर, क्या मोटिवेशन था कि यार कैसे करें? Like what was your starting trigger जिससे आपने वो अपना फैट लॉस जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था?
So I have been doing or been active throughout, but then on
Okay.
and off. What happened is I got married in 2022.
Hmm.
उससे पहले तक I was
Got it.
doing, my motivation was कि शादी है, I
Got it.
have to look better and all that. But
Got
then
it.
once the house is changed, dynamics are changed, place changed. So I did not actually start working out in a very serious note. Sometimes I will go for a
Got
walk,
it.
so and gradually on a way, to say that in a span of 2 years, I really
Got it.
gained weight.
2022 में आप 65 पे थे. Like I have that mentioned in my notes.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then that's when the weight gain started to happen.
Yeah,
And then to 2024 end तक जब हमने start किया, you were at 74, correct?
yeah. Right.
That's when you gained
Yes, I
majority of
gained.
the
I
weight.
gained a lot, and it more than the weight. Actually, I was facing a lot of bloating issues,
Yes.
migraine, and all of this, which actually triggered me to start it again. There were always times कि I used to go back and forth कि अभी करूँ नहीं करूँ, but then it was like no, it's now or never, because situation ऐसा था कि every alternate day I had to pop up a pill for headache or acidity or something. But after lunch especially I used to feel very heavy, and especially if I'm traveling, मैं अगर कहीं पे जा रही हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल वीकेंड वगैरह, तो पूरा दिन ही खराब हो जाता था. मैं जाऊंगी उल्टी करूंगी, मतलब
Got it.
हजम ही नहीं होगा मुझे.
Got it. Got it.
So yeah, I faced that a lot, and then
Got it.
I
Got
was
it.
like, it's time.
And then I remember Abhi recently you mentioned that you went for a trip or somewhere, and then you
Yes.
didn't have that headache
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you were on the trip.
yeah, yeah.
Correct?
I was on liquid diet, so to say, क्योंकि कुछ आए ना आए बस, because it was Gujarat and it was very dry,
Got it.
43 degree, but I kept on drinking water because I remember Shivani telling me कि
Yes.
one of the reason is dehydration and all.
Yep.
Otherwise trip में जिस दिन जाती हूँ ना, at least the day when I'm going and my day of return, I will have headache. That was for sure.
Got it. Got it.
But
Got it.
this time नहीं हुआ.
I remember the first discussion we had, the four major goals which we had. First was digestion, second was कि inch loss करना है, third was like three major goals I would say. Third was कि like face fat कम करना है. So, like these are the three major goals which we had when we started. How you came to know about us, Priyanka? Like how you first discovered us? What was your point when you discovered us, and then you thought of let's start with it?
So I reached out to a couple of agencies who does similar things
Got
like
it.
on weight, they work on weight loss and all. But then again, Instagram, through some random feed, like once you watch something,
Yes.
of fat loss, you will keep getting it, right? So along with yours, I was also in discussion with two other guys,
Okay.
and all of them were into like women fat loss and all
Okay.
that. But then, what made me choose you was your what to say, your quick response and your inquisitiveness towards understanding my problem and all. With others, क्या हुआ था कि every response of theirs, it was taking one day. So I'll respond, maybe tomorrow I'll get a reply, and again I will reply to it, and then day after tomorrow I'll get the response. So I
Got it.
found them, they are not very interested.
Hmm.
That is one
Hmm.
thing, of course. And
Hmm.
the other thing was you were meeting my goal.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
you were very specifically mentioning about people,
Hmm.
women who are working and who want
Hmm.
to,
Hmm.
help us reduce weight and all that. So yeah,
Got it.
that clicked.
Got it. Got it.
Budget
Got it.
also
Hmm.
something which fitted. So yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the things, like all the
yeah,
check boxes were
budget.
ticked, and that's when we actually started. And जब हमने start किया था, अभी क्या situation? Let's discuss little bit about that. Digestion. How is the digestion situation? Let's discuss all the three goals step by step. So
Mhm.
digestion is like, I think first month it was not that better. Second month के आसपास like it was getting. But just to give our viewers a little bit of context, I have all the things written in front of me. We started somewhere at around like 1st of December. At that
Yeah,
point, you are at 74.1 kilos. Okay. Right now, we are at 65, but like हमने 67 तो hit कर दिया था. तो 22nd of February के around. So like somewhere close to 3.5 months, we lost like 7 kilos somewhere close to 7 kilos. Correct?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So and now getting back to that goals again. So digestion का कैसा है scenario? Like when we started and right now, how is that like right now?
Digestion ka Sav, one thing is that we also need to understand our body. That is also
Yep.
very important. There are frameworks which may not work with
Yep.
everyone. So I understood that I cannot eat 3 times. 3 meals is something I cannot do. So what I have done is, morning I'll have my breakfast and afternoon lunch. After that, I will not eat anything solid. Like in evenings, what I do is mostly it is Greek yogurt with fruits, or generally fruits. And then if at all I'm hungry, I will have milk. That's all.
Got
And
it. Got it.
it will be very rare that I will have something very little
Hmm.
like upma and all.
Hmm.
But also like on not on
Hmm.
regular days, but some days.
Hmm.
Uh, because I have actually tried and tested everything. If
Yes, we
I
have. Hmm.
if I eat, then I'll
Hmm.
not get sleep.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So starting में जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, मुझे भी आपको समझने में like 1 महीने के अराउंड लगे. We have been trying few things here and there. कुछ
yeah,
काम
yeah,
कर रहा था, कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. But now considering that time and now like since December, it has improved a lot. The overall
improved a
digestion has
lot.
improved a lot.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
and I have also increased my water intake. So after
Yeah.
that, it has like worked wonders.
Hmm. Hmm.
अभी तो so to say मेरा होता नहीं है.
But most of the time, people know कि water intake बढ़ाना है because everyone knows they have to drink good amount of water.
Yeah.
It's just that if some accountability is added, if someone is like reminding you on a regular basis, if some human is reminding you because apps भी बहुत सारे आते हैं, that's what like actually helps. Correct to say that, Priyanka?
Yes, yes, sure, sure. मुझे ऐसे initially when I started, I used to say, okay, 2 liter तो मैं पी लेती हूँ. But then at one point, when again this headache thing was, recurring, I downloaded an app to check. Let me see what actually I'm having, and then I realized, no, I'm not having 2 liter. It is much lesser than two
Yeah.
liter. And then again, I started, increasing the intake.
Yep, yep. And the second goal which we had about the face, you have shared a picture, I remember recently only, like a month
Yes,
before you
yes.
have shared the
Has
picture.
reduced. It has
It's
reduced.
like a good difference we can see
Yeah.
on that in the before and the
Hmm.
after. Third point, like inches. So inches be like, I think we started, I'm sure, but I don't think 40 inches से हमने start किया on the waist size, and right now we are at like 33 inches on the waist. Correct?
Yes.
So like all the three goals which we have set initially, like we have reached out to that goal, and right now we are having a separate goal right now. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's like that's where we are at right now. apart from that, Priyanka, like moving forward, what's your end goal? Because up to weight loss ho gaya, you are like at your somewhere close to where your ideal weight. What's your next goal? What now?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I have to come in a shape that is
Mm-hmm.
there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And my end goal would be like, if you ask me after 10 years, 15
Yeah.
years, I would
Mm-hmm.
say I only want to look younger
Mm-hmm.
as the time
Mm-hmm.
goes. That is the end goal I have.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Right now,
Perfect.
as we are working on
Hmm.
the shapes and
Shape
the weight.
part, yeah, we are working on like on the strength training. Initially when we started, we were not doing that much of strength, and right now we have included a lot of strength based exercise, also a lot of yoga based exercises, mixture of both. So that's what we are doing right now. What's your advice, Priyanka? Because you have like you yourself have lost weight, you know what it takes, what mindset it takes to actually get to a goal weight for anyone. So what would you recommend? Like if a woman who is like a corporate mazdoor, as you have mentioned initially,
Yeah,
who
yeah.
want to get started, who are at similar to your face, at your place, facing digestive issues, don't have much of time to work out, or like living in a family setup, what would you like advise them? 2 3 points which you yourself have realized after losing weight.
So first and foremost is the attitude change.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Generally, women, they don't give priority to themselves, especially working women. After doing everything else, be it work, home, then they will sit down and think about themselves or anything. And not at all every woman would think. So, my first suggestion is prioritize your health. At the end of the day, it is something which is going to stick with us till the time we are alive, right? It is an asset. So that is the first thing. And we should not be feeling guilty to take out some time for ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
for working out or for working on our body and health. So that is first thing. Second is support from the environment that you are living in is very important. In my case, what happened is it was a coincidence or blessing, because me and my husband, we both were working out, and we
Mm-hmm.
both had the same goal: we have to reduce weight. So even we had some trips, so we
Mm-hmm.
maintained our diet, uh,
Correct.
and
Mm-hmm.
it is very helpful. Otherwise, what happens is in a couple, if one person is on a diet and the other person would be like buying things, having good food, it doesn't give you any motivation, and you just lose your all the hard work there. So it is also very important that family support or the environment you get. And
Mm-hmm.
thirdly, of course, you have to work on yourself. You have
Yep.
to understand your body.
Hmm.
Uh, the template that works for me may not work for you or anyone
Hmm.
else.
Hmm.
We also have to listen to our body. Uh,
Absolutely. So
Before
hmm.
jumping to the ground and starting to work out, mentally we have to be prepared that we have to
Hmm.
engage ourselves. So
Got
yeah,
it. Got it.
that's the 3 points I would say.
Got it. Got it. Like what I like about you, like this is one thing which which I've seen with every client who has been like successful, is that they never try to be perfect. There has been days with Priyanka as well where we have not maintained a good amount of protein intake, and I have told her, "Yeah, protein come but still she was sharing the things. It come be or still she was sharing. Like on the days there were days where she was not perfect, but still she was reporting. So that is one of the most crucial part, like just showing up even if things are not on the way, even if the weights is stuck, just showing up is one thing which I like really liked about Priyanka. That's what I've seen with her. Like, and this is what I would add to this. Like three things again: environmental support is very important, especially support from partner is very important. That's first. Secondly, as you have mentioned that again, prioritizing yourself, giving priority to yourself, showing up, I would add to that. And one more point you mentioned, like taking out time for yourself.
Taking out time, yes.
Yeah, like actually giving time to yourself as well. So
Not to
these,
feel guilty that you are
hmm,
giving time to yourself, and not
yeah,
consider that this is a time waste. I'm
yes,
wasting my time. I can give
hmm,
this time to
hmm,
something else which is more productive.
yes,
Working on
hmm,
ourselves is also a very productive activity.
yes. You might not see the ROAS of this instantly. तुरंत नहीं दिखेगा कि इसका क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है, but you'll see that in future.
Right.
Okay, वो इसलिए लोग नहीं देते हैं कि अभी क्या हो रहा है, but they will you'll see that in future. But बाद में जब everyone else will be struggling with their health, you'll have like an optimum health. You can give more time to your family members. So
Yeah.
most of the time, giving to yourself time to yourself also means that we are giving time to the family. So that is also a better way of thinking about it. Moving on to the next question, Priyanka, like what was your thought process before you enrolled to us? Like what was your thought process, what you were actually thinking about? Yaar karna hai nahi karna hai, how was, where you were at, like in terms of the
I
thought process?
always wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
As I said, I was always doing it.
Mm-hmm.
So I was very sure that I want to start and do these
Mm-hmm.
things. My husband started doing a
Mm-hmm.
program on weight loss, and then
Mm-hmm.
he was doing. So along with him, I had already started, on the food and all,
Mm-hmm.
like having clean food and all.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
then making out time and doing something, I was also, there was a little confusion because I work in hybrid. So I was thinking that how do I maintain the consistency? Maybe
Mm-hmm.
some days I can go and do workout, other days how will I do? So that clarity was not coming. And then when I saw your program and all, you
Mm-hmm.
said that the first thing you said that you don't have to invest a lot of time, but consistency is something which you want, right? And you will also not give workouts which involves a lot of time. It will be
Mm-hmm.
3 days and all. So my, as per my requirement, everything was just
Hmm.
getting ticked and
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
fitting
Hmm. Hmm.
my
Got
box.
it.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
worked for me. If
Got it.
someone is there who says that you have to invest a
Hmm.
lot, at least 1.5 hour every day,
Hmm.
it will be difficult for me for all the days.
Hmm.
Some days may do, but all the days it will not be possible
Hmm. Hmm.
because
Hmm.
of the time frame and all that. So yeah,
Yeah,
that,
got it, got it.
that was.
Absolutely agree to this point. Like basically, like we structured all the things properly to for you, and that's where we started initially from the consultation call till now so far. So like I think we have gone through all the major questions. Like you have provided some good information and good support, mental support to all the females who are getting started with the fat loss journey. Nice talking to you, Priyanka. It's like been amazing journey so far. अभी भी बहुत कुछ achieve करना है. So yeah,
Sure.
that's all for this video.